will see the importance of big data visualization in this section. The amount of data created by corporations around the world is growing every year. And really we should say that thanks to the innovations such as IoT, because that is having the sign of exploring and exploring. So the problem for business is that data is only useful if valuable insights can be extracted from it and acted upon. So to do that, decision makers need to be able to access, evaluate, comprehend and act on data in near real time. And big data visualization promises a way to be able to do just that. Big data visualizations not only are the way for decision makers to analyze the data, but the techniques offer fast and effective way to review the large amount of data. Means we can say that the data presented in graphical form enables the decision makers to take in large amount of data and gain an understanding of what it means very quickly, and how the analyzing numerical tables and spreadsheet has been done. Then importance of big data visualization in review to spot the trends. So the time sequence data often capture the trends, but spotting the trends hidden in data is notoriously hard to do, especially when the sources are diverse and the quantity of data is large. But the use of appropriate big data visualization techniques can make it easy to spot these trends. And in business terms, a trend that is spotted early is opportunity that can be acted upon. Then identify correlations and unexpected relationships. One of the huge strengths of big data visualization is that it enables the users to explore the data sets, not to find the answers to the specific questions, but to discover what unexpected insights the data can reveal. This can be done by adding or removing the data sets, changing the scales, removing the outliers, and changing the visualization types. Identifying previously unsuspected patterns and relationships in data can provide business with a huge competitive advantage. And then present data to others. An oft overlooked feature of big data visualization is that it provides highly effective way to communicate any insights that it surfaces to others. That is because it can convey meaning very quickly and in a way that it is easy to understand. Precisely what is needed in both internal and external business presentations. So, these are the techniques of big data visualization which offers the various positive and fast effective ways for all these purposes, and that's why big data visualization is very important. Now there are some key issues of big data visualization that we will see in the next section. Thank you.